started to roll out the customer service console. We call it HomeView. And this is a tool where we started our journey for giving customers that visibility, one place to give them visibility into the home environment, but then also to use it to help our advisors understand how the broadband fixed network itself is performing too. So a one-stop shop.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been really powerful for helping the advisors to see, is the broadband network to the home working, how's the router performing, to understand the Wi-Fi environment, and is there any congestion or any other problems that might be preventing the service from being at its best, and then also to actually then see the customer's network as well and understand the devices they've got connected, and and then also view over time the Wi-Fi performance, because I'm sure when you call up with particularly with an intermittent problem, it's always the point you're calling that everything's fine, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Always happens. So we're really thrilled with being able to then provide a place where our advisors can see not just the performance now, but actually how was the home Wi-Fi network for each of the devices yesterday and the day before, etc. Helping really to our advisors to then empathise and understand the customer's problem so they can confidently resolve it. So for probably the last 2 or 3 years, we've been working with the core Nokia platform to sort of add further integrations of our own, but to really make this HomeView application software work really well for our advisors. Now, we're trying to take it a bit further, though.
Okay.
At the end of the day, with the data we collect from our routers, from our broadband network, from the whole ecosystem, if you can probably work out or diagnose and resolve any problem. I think with that, but it's not always straightforward to be able to see, for particularly those more complex problems, exactly what's the root cause, and what steps should you take remotely to fix the problem. And again, the Nokia platform provides us huge capabilities for remote interventions. We do a lot proactively as well, but equally when the customers call us, whether it's a simple reboot or a Wi-Fi channel scan or many other interventions we can take, it's not always straightforward for an advisor to be able to see all the different data points, all the different clues, and then work out what the right steps would be. So we've been working again with Nokia. So how can we develop the models that will understand, based on the data signatures we've captured, what really should be the next best action for our advisors to take.
Is that where AI and ML are playing a role?
Yeah, exactly. That's where we're starting there, exactly. So and we've got big plans to go much further with that, but that's certainly where we're making those initial inroads, and we've got a little advisor assist bot that sits on our Nokia platform, and if our advisors want to use it, particularly those advisors who are newer or advisors who maybe have a broader role than just tech, and so maybe don't take tech calls all the time, they can call up our assist bot, and that will then look at all those data signatures and make recommendations about what steps they should follow next. And it's simply then a guided flow based on what they can see, and it continuously learns based on what our advisors then choose to do. Do you reboot the router, channel scan, disconnect certain devices, reboot our wireless extenders, whatever it might be. It's then constantly re-looking, right, based on what I can see now, I can see how the network is adjusted post interventions. Is the problem fixed, or actually should we go further? So we're really pleased with how that's going, because it doesn't just look at, for us, it's not just the router. We've got a TV, set-top boxes as well that are connected. We've got our mesh network that's connected. Clearly all of the customer devices, and customers have got so many devices these days. And it provides that fantastic sort of helping hand for those advisors who need it.